AUD-USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about AUD against dollar. And this analysis will be same for NZD-USD as well. So in case you also trade NZD-USD, which you should sometimes, then use the AUD-USD analysis, same for NZD-USD as well. Now, before that, make sure if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you will find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. You can join the Telegram for free and check out the brokers and prop firms, sign up with them and start your trading. I do have my own membership, but right now I'm not advertising it because, I think right now I want to be free. Free as in I don't want to be responsible for, like my students and all of that. So maybe in the future I will resume my membership. For now, I'm just giving time to myself. I don't want to be responsible for others. Okay, for now. So you can get on the free knowledge. You can watch my free videos. You can get some signals free in Telegram if you're connected. And then let's get back to this thing called AUD-USD analysis, right? Okay. So, I have seen other YouTubers, what they do is they come and tell you, oh, trend is up, look for longs after each pullback. And the video is done. Subscribe, like, bye-bye. Do you want me to do that as well? I can do that, I can go to weekly. You see here, weekly, we are above the EMA, trend is up. Daily, we are above the EMA, trend is up. 4 hour, we are above the EMA, trend is up. So go and look for longs after each pullback. Bye-bye. Or maybe I can do it my way, okay? So let's do it my way. Starting with top-down weekly approach, okay? Weekly, we have crossed above the EMA, which means that, this week ended in the long position. What does it mean? It means that we had buyers throughout this whole week, okay? So this whole week, buyers had been buying AUD-USD. That's why the market went up, okay? But this weekly doesn't tell us what's going to happen in daily, okay? So let's come back to daily. Remember one thing, on Monday, GBP and US markets are closed. So London session and New York session both are closed on coming Monday on 26th, okay? So have that in mind, that should you trade on Monday or not, because market will be like very, there will be no volatility, you can say. US market off, London market off, so there's not a big movement. But if you have to talk about the analysis, then quite, cool here. We can see that this blue candle has broken the previous high, okay? So it is not a double top. You can see here, this candle was at 64946. This closed at 6495. So this broke the previous high, okay? Which means we are in the uptrend. If this candle could not break this previous high, then it would have been the double top, and then we would have gone down as a reversal, okay? Nobody is explaining you all that when they make the video that the trend is up, look for longs after each pullback. They don't explain you all this, do they? They don't, right? So what are we gonna do? We're not gonna enter buy. We are stupid if you enter buy right now. You are moron like me, okay? So 4 hour, what do we have in 4 hour? We are breaking the highs, okay? So we have broken the previous high in 4 hour, as you can see. It's quite simple, man. Use your fib levels. Use your fib levels from here till here. That is your uptrend, okay? From here till here, that's your uptrend. Use your fib levels. Wait for the pullback. The pullback will surely happen, maybe for 38%, 50%, I don't know. But let the pullback happen, then wait for the blue confirmation candle. That's where you enter with 1:2, okay? If you now like what you see, subscribe, share, like, and use this analysis for NZD-USD as well. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.